Good morning students. Myself कोसा टीचर फ्रॉम पारस इंग्लिश हाई स्कूल। आज हम जो है जीके का असाइनमेंट वर्क करेंगे जो स्टैंडर्ड 9 जॉय ऑफ नॉलेज यानी जीके। क्वेश्चन आंसर है यहाँ काउंट्स में क्या कहते हैं वर्ड्स दिए हैं और उसके आंसर है ये। हमको चूज़ द करेक्ट फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में चूसिंग करके आंसर लिखना है। जो आंसर मैंने टिक करी हूँ वही। द फैक्ट रिमेन्स दैट पेरेंट्स मस्ट प्रोवाइड लीडरशिप एट होम। एवरी फैमिली मस्ट हैव फैमिली डॉक्टर फॉर safeguarding the health of the family. The family doctor must be consulted regularly because prevention is better than cure. Second chapter, the tips for keeping good health. Fruits, green vegetables, milk and fill in the blanks are essential for human health. तो इसका आंसर है हनी। A balanced diet contains ideal amounts of proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals and water. तो इसका आंसर है nutrients. Number 10, fill in the blanks is found is germinated wheat and gram in polished rice, milk, yeast, bases, livers and eggs. तो विटामिन बी। In the blanks is found lemons, orange, grapes, tomatoes, germatic pulses, green vegetables, peas, plums and bananas. यानी के इसमें क्या दिया है के पॉलिश्ड राइस खाओ, मिल्क है, ये सब में क्या है विटामिन बी होता है। और विटामिन सी किस में होता है कि लेमन्स, ऑरेंज, ग्रेप्स, टोमेटोज, पल्स, ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स, पीस, बटाना, पाम्स एंड बनानास, ये सब में क्या होता है विटामिन सी। द ह्यूमन बॉडी मेक्स इट्स ऑन फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स प्रोवाइडेड देयर इज सम एक्सपोजर टू सनलाइट। यानी ह्यूमन बॉडी को जो है सबसे ज़्यादा क्या विटामिन डी की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है जो हमको सनलाइट के थ्रू मिलता है। ओके, आवर बॉडीज आर 70% ऑफ वाटर इन टर्म्स ऑफ वेट। यानी हमारी बॉडी में जो है 70% जो है पानी होता है। इज़ वन ऑफ प्यूरिफाइंग अगेंस्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी। तो वाटर जो है वाटर इज़ वन ऑफ प्यूरिफाइंग अगेंस्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी। फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स चूजिंग करेक्ट आंसर फ्रॉम द वर्ड्स रिटन बिलो। यहाँ पे काउंट्स में क्या कहते हैं आंसर दिए है और फिल इन द ब्लैंक से एम्पियर इज द यूनिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट। नंबर 2, द यूनिट ऑफ पावर इज कॉल्ड वाट। प्रेशर इज एक्सप्रेस्ड इज पाउंड per square inch. The unit of heat is called drive. Millimicron, the bigger unit measuring the wavelength of infrared light. Scientific instruments. Science has developed many instruments which perform various functions. Choose the correct alternative from the choice given below. The instrument used to measuring actually small distance and angles is micrometer. ओके, ये इसका आंसर है बी, माइक्रोमीटर. The instrument used for measuring quantities of heat is called calorimeter. The instrument used for measuring the electrical energy is called dynamo. The instrument used for measuring solar radiation perimeter. The instrument used to show the changes in atmospheric humidity is called hygroscope. For magnifying very small objects, we use microscope. The strength of electric current can be measured with ammeter. The instrument used to measure difference in hearing is called audiometer. Okay. More about science. About के बारे में जानना है. Science is systematic knowledge governed by general principles based on observation and experiments. Fill in the blanks choosing the correct words from the bracket. The hardest part in a tooth is enamel. Fishes breathe with gills. Vitamin necessary for clotting of blood is vitamin K. The combination recommended in a fertilizer is of the metal found in photos film silver. The lightest gas hydrogen. The gas found is an electric bulb is organ. Fill in the blanks. Of the cinnamon plants is used to as a spice. Bark. With the parts of organ human body are the following disease associated: jaundice, liver, anemia, blood, pneumonia, lungs, pyorrhea, germs, cataract, eyes. Objective General Science. What kind of energy is stored in a dry cell? तो electrical. Alone is a colony of a cell-saving female genetic constitutions. Dialysis is meant for kidneys. यानी किडनी की प्रॉब्लम होती है तो हमको क्या डायलिसिस करवाना पड़ता है. ड्यूरिंग फ्लड्स Precautions should be specially taken against तो typhoid. Ice blocks are covered with sawdust to provide necessary insulation from heat. In computer jargon, RAM refer to random access memory. Indigestion of salt is a public health measures to prevent तो goitry. After drinking contaminated water, you would be most apt to develop symptoms of typhoid. Number 8. Indian physical landscape. India is a unique country. Written below are certain questions pertaining to your country. Read each question carefully to find out where you stand in relation to your knowledge about your country. Write the name of countries which lie to the north of India: China, Nepal and Bhutan. What separates India from Sri Lanka in the south? The Gulf of Mannar and the Palk Strait. Which two countries lie to the east of India? Bangladesh and Myanmar. Burma. What is the rank of India in the world in terms of its area? The 7th. Which three rivers from the Indo-Gangetic plains, the Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra? यानी कौन सी 3 नदी का है? तो द गंगा, द इंदुस, द गंगा, द ब्रह्मपुत्र. Name some hills ranges which for the peninsular plateau: Aravali, Satpura, Maikala and Sabzdari. Which rivers basin is the largest in India? So the Ganga basin is largest in India. Name the river on which agreement was signed between two certain states. So Kaveri. India political. India is a union of 29 leader federal state and 7 central administrative union territories. The president is the head of the union and governor is appointed as the head of every state by the president for a term of 5 years. Test your ability by answering the question written below. When was the written Constitution of India passed by the Constituent Assembly? November 26, 1949. In whose name are executive action of the government of India taken? So the president. Which is the upper house of parliament? The Rajya Sabha. What is the strength of lower house of parliament? 552 members. पार्लियामेंट के जो मेंबर होते हैं 552. How many members of Rajya Sabha are nominated by the president? 12. Who runs administration of a state in which constitutional emergency has been declared? The president. Who is the head of the council minister at the union level? the Prime Minister. Which fundamental rights is concerned with the abolition of social distance right to equality? Struggle for freedom. The Indian national movement dates back to the war independence of 1857. It sparked of revolt in many parts of the country. Though the revolt was crushed, yet it paved the way for many more similar nationalities movements. Test your knowledge about the Indian national movements by attempting to answer the following question from the multiple choice given below. Number 1. From where did the revolt of 1857 start? The Meerut. Who refused to use the grazed cattle on 29 March 1857 AD? Mangal Pandey. Who led the revolt at Kanpur? Nana Sahib. Name the Indian lady who led the revolt of 1857 at Lucknow. Option A Rani Lakshmibai, option B Begum of Awadh, option C Durga Bhabi. तो इसका आंसर है बेगम ऑफ अवध. Name the battalions which remained loyal to the British during the revolt. Option A Sikh, Rajput, Gurkha, राजपूत मराठा कानपुर, गुरखा सिख मराठा. तो इसका आंसर है राजपूत मराठा कानपुर. Whose force did तात्या टोपे लीड? ऑप्शन ए नाना साहेब, ऑप्शन बी रानी लक्ष्मी, ऑप्शन सी बहादुर शाह जफर. तो तात्या टोपे किसको लीड करते थे? तो नाना साहेब. By whom was the proclamation is used by Queen Victoria read out in Durbar held at Allahabad on November 1, 1858 AD? ऑप्शन है लॉर्ड डेलहाउसी, लॉर्ड बेंटिक या लॉर्ड कैनिंग. तो इसका आंसर है लॉर्ड बेंटिक. When was the Indian National Congress founded? 1867. Where was the first sessions of the Indian National Congress held? Allahabad. Which of the following leaders was not among the moderates? Who first used the slogan इनकलाब जिंदाबाद? तो सुभाष चंद्र बोस. हु गेव द कॉल डिलीवरेंस डे? द मुस्लिम लीग. हु प्रेजेंटेड द प्लान फॉर द डिविजन ऑफ इंडिया इनटू टू इंडिपेंडेंट स्टेट इन जून 1947? लॉर्ड माउंटबेटन. Who was the third Governor General of India? Lord Cornwallis. Where was the famous INA trial held in 1964? Radford, Delhi. Match column A with column B. column A में है मिसिस एनी बेसेंट, लॉर्ड कर्जन, मिंटो मॉर्ली रिफॉर्म्स, लॉर्ड कैनिंग, एस.एन. टैगोर, आगा खान, मोहसिनुल मुल्क, स्प्लाइट ऑफ कांग्रेस, चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद. अब इसका आंसर है मिसिस एनी बेसेंट. इसका आंसर है सेंट्रल हिंदू हाई स्कूल बनारस. लॉर्ड कर्जन इंडियन यूनिवर्सिटी एक्ट. मिंटो मॉर्ली रिफॉर्म्स 1909. लॉर्ड कैनिंग फर्स्ट Victory of India. S.N. Tagore, first Indian to join ICS. Aga Khan, Mohsinul Mulk, the Muslim League. Split of Congress 97 at Surat. Chandrasekhar Azad, Socialist Republic Army. Founders of modern India. India's national movement was stirred by many eminent leaders in spite of fact that they differed in religion, temperament, than in political ideology. They were inspired by the common feeling of patriotism. Let's see what you know about them. Number 1. The Brahmo Samaj was founded by Rabindranath Tagore. The foundation of Arya Samaj was led by Swami Dayanand Saraswati, a retired member of Indian Civil Service who founded the Indian National Congress, was A.O. Home, the great Indian leader who presided over the Congress seasons 3 in 1886, 1893 and 96 was Dadabhai Naoroji. The first Indian to enter the Indian Civil Service in 1869 was Satyendranath Tagore. According to K.M. Panikar, Fill-in-the blanks was modern India's first statesman. तो इसका आंसर है गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले. माई एक्सपेरिमेंट्स विथ ट्रूथ वॉज रिटन बाय महात्मा गांधी. द ग्रेट इंडियन लीडर हु डाइड बाय लाठी ब्लोज वाइल लीडिंग बाइकॉट एंड डेमोन्स्ट्रेशंस अगेंस्ट द सिमोन कमीशंस एट लाहौर वॉज लाला Lajpat Rai. An Orthodox Hindu who was one of the founders of modern India was P.T. Madan Mohan Malviya. The great Indian leader who had thriving career as a lawyer at the Allahabad but sacrificed everything was Motilal Nehru. Our national anthem Jan Gan Man was written by Rabindranath Tagore. It was under the presidency of Fill-in-the blanks that the Congress at its Lahore session in 1929 passed the resolutions of complete independence of India. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Mahatma Gandhi called Fill-in-the blanks Astasru, a man without enemies. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. A man of great learning who remained the Union Minister of Education from January 1947 to last day of his life 2nd February 1958 was Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Called the Iron Man of India, his original name was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Which Prime Minister of Independence India is known as the builder of modern India? Jawaharlal Nehru. Which Finance Minister of Free India introduced new economics policy in the country? Dr. Manmohan Singh. India achieved a major breakthrough in nuclear build-up by conducting 3 nuclear tests on 11th May 1998.